Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. This is SHIB, and SHIB right now, well, we've talked about it before. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a rewind with SHIB, and we had the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, a pop to the upside. Some very good time was in, of course, there, and all of a sudden, that good time was taken away from us. Like SHIB came down very badly, and it all of a sudden took stop losses every single place is okay, and right now you can see that SHIB is trading near here. Okay, you're looking at SHIB down there. So this point of time, I do believe you have a technical target of the bear flag, which is down here, but it's taking a lot of time, and I'm going to remove this trend line because I do see one more trend line forming up, and we might say that SHIB has popped out of a bear pattern. Do you see that? Okay, so if I have to tell you, the latest update is that SHIB moved down one touch, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now that's actually a very perfect pennant, and this is on the daily time frame as well. I'm just going to remove lower drawing right there. I'm going to bring in the logarithmic scale at the moment. So where do we move on from there? So we take this top to the bottom right here, and you're looking for SHIB to go to the downside, and you're looking for SHIB maybe probably once again to come down to 565. Now this is a very big support for SHIB, and I'm going to tell you why. Because if you zoom out, that's the place SHIB has always visited. This is the place where you can always buy SHIB. So you do have such a massive opportunity down right over there if SHIB does actually end up coming to the downside. Now let's talk about invalidation. If SHIB somehow crosses 876, we're trading at 773 right now. So if you do end up crossing 876 and you cross this resistance here, then you're very bullish. Okay, do not do a fake out, because the last time you try to break, you failed terribly. Okay, this was a shooting star. You came down, you made a fake out, and then boom, you pushed to the downside. What we need to see is break off 862, break off the trend line itself, and backtest, and then boom. Okay, and that's it for this very quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.